Good morning, everyone. Now that most of you have submitted your Essay 1 brainstorming and outline assignment, I just wanted to take a moment to remind you about the importance of reading materials in this course and make sure that you're on the right track for writing your essay this weekend. First of all, as I explained earlier, every module, every weekly set of activities is organized in the same way. Here on the screen you see week 1, so we can go to the reading assignments to find a link to the article by Lynn Millam about Joseph Campbell's ideas about heroes. You need to read this article in order to get ideas to use in your Essay 1. Next, you should read over especially the writing process, parts of an essay. The writing process talks about brainstorming and outlining. Parts of an essay, make sure that you have all the elements that are required in an essay before you turn it in this weekend. A couple of you asked me how to submit assignments in Canvas, so if you've not used Canvas before, please read this page, How to Submit Assignments in Canvas. It's very clear. About the brainstorming and outline, some of you had questions about the form of this. What should a brainstorm look like? What should the outline look like? I'm very, very open about this. For brainstorming, you can simply just make a list of ideas, okay? That's the easiest thing to do. For an outline, you have formal kinds of outline that are explained in the writing process, but basically I just want to get an idea of what you're going to put in each of your paragraphs. So for the outline, you should include your thesis statement. You should include topic sentences for each body paragraph, a few notes about what you're going to put in each paragraph. So those are the basics that I'm looking for in brainstorming and outlining. I'm explaining this now because this is the format for how you're going to be doing all your essays in this class. And essays are the main areas where you're going to be graded in English 101. So for most of the essays, not this one, but all the rest of your essays, you're going to be submitting a brainstorming and outline, and then you're going to submit the essay, which will be graded. So it's very important for you to do this brainstorming and outline step so that I can have a chance to look and see if you're on the right track. For example, many of you wrote a hero's story, but you did not follow the assignment, which asked you to tie in your hero's story to Joseph Campbell's ideas about the hero's journey. So, for example, we can just look at this graphic here. Did your hero have a moment when he or she was called to adventure? This item here, this element here. Was there a movement from the known to the unknown world? Were there challenges and temptations? Were there helpers or mentors? In the end, was the person transformed? Is the person going to return to the known place? All of these are elements that Joseph Campbell says are present in every single hero's journey. So your assignment for this essay is not simply just to write a hero's story, but to tie it in somehow to Joseph Campbell's ideas. You can make these connections anywhere in your essay. So, just a word to the wise. It really will pay off if you read these pages that I've included in every weekly module. This is going to make the difference between you getting an A in the course or maybe a C in the course. So I want you to succeed. Please do send me your questions, but I expect you to read the materials before you ask me a question. Okay? Thanks a lot and good luck with your essay.